This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to activate light mode on Claude. So you're logged into your Claude Anthropic account. You can see that I'm logged in, back at it, Matthew. Now I've got dark mode added, as you can see here. There's lots of darkness and shadows going on. Added this in a previous video. Let's switch over to light mode. So come down to the very bottom left, and you'll see either a picture of yourself or an initial. In my case, you can see I've got the initial M for Matt. We're going to come to the very top, settings. Let's click settings. Settings open, and the general settings are on by default. That is fine. We'll scroll down, and you'll come to preferences. So preferences, appearance preferences is what we want. You can see that dark mode is highlighted. We've got two other options, system mode, which will be the dark or light mode depending on what your system is set to. In my case, that is light. And then over here, we've got light mode. So that's the one we want. We click light mode, and just like that, everything brightens up. It's all lit up. No need to save anything at the bottom there, anything it saves by default. Let's X out of that. And now you see that everything is sunny and bright. It is light mode, dark mode's gone. That is how you add light mode on Claude. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.